Hello friends, this is CA Nancy. I have started my own YouTube channel in this pandemic situation. This lockdown has motivated me to step forward and chase one of my dream of spreading education through online platform. Today I would like to discuss about the economic package announced by our Honorable Finance Minister regarding due date of filing of ITR, reduction of TDS rates, changes related to PF. So let's begin with our first topic, due date of filing of ITR under section 139 read with section 44AB. 44AB is related to tax audit. So we have divided this topic into two parts for salaried individuals and small business where the books of accounts are not required to be audited under section 44AB and where audit cases the books of accounts are required to be audited under section 44AB, that is tax audit. So in this case, for salaried individuals and small businesses, the due date has been extended from 31st July 2020 to 30th November 2020. So in this case, there is no penalty if you file the tax return up to 30th November 2020. And for audit cases, the books where the books are required to be audited under section 44AB, the due date has been extended from 30th September 2020 to 31st October 2020. So up to this 31st October 2020, there is no penalty if you file the ITR within this time frame. So our second topic is TDS rates reduction. It is again divided into two parts for salaried payments and for non-salaried payments. So for salaried payments, there is no change made by the government. So the payments which are made to non-salaried residents as per press release by CBDT dated 13th May 2020, 25% reduction in existing rates has been made. Therefore, the amount paid credited from 14th May 2020 to 31st March 2021, TDS shall be deducted at reduced rates. Okay. But friends, it has been clarified by the press release that if the PAN and Aadhaar is not furnished, then the tax will not be deducted at the reduced rate, it will be deducted at higher rate, that is 20%. Okay. So the another topic is changes related to PF. Under Prime Minister Garib Kalyan Yojana, the payment of both employer and employee contribution, that is total 24%, 12% for employer, 12% for employee, from June 20 to August 20 for 3 months will be made by government in EPF account of establishments, eligible establishments. So what are eligible establishments? Where the number of employees working is less than 100 and salary of employees is 15,000 or less. This scheme is to benefit the smaller organizations. Okay. For all other cases, statutory PF contribution of both employer and employees is reduced from 12% to 10% for next 3 months. This is to ensure liquidity in hand of employee and boost take home salary of employees and to benefit the organization to some extent. Okay. गाइस थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें.